The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra might just be the dream phone of 2020. But before we dive deeper into our testing, it's time to unbox it and see what you get included in the box. You are watching Z-Force Gaming and this is the first hands-on impression of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. In our first encounter with the S20 Ultra, we also take the time to start and set up the phone, as well as give you a quick first look and impressions at the space zoom camera and its capabilities for photos and videos. I was invited at Said Electronics, our sponsor for this video, who are the official dealers of Samsung in Pakpatan, for the hands-on unboxing and experience with the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the first phone in Pakpatan at the time of video. But let's not get ahead of ourselves and start with the unboxing. So what's in the box of Galaxy S20 Ultra? Well, you get phone with a pre-applied plastic screen protector, a clear case which might be included in some markets and in not some others, a 25-watt USB-C charger, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, a USB-C in-ear headphones tuned by AKG, a pair of large and small sized ear tips for the headphones, a user manual and a SIM tool. On the first look, the phone is ginormous. No wonder Samsung called it Ultra, because it fits the description right away. And on the first glance, the display is insanely amazing. I haven't seen such a display on any phone until now. More details on the display will be shared in my next videos hopefully. Now let's dive into the cameras and see what's new about that. Though Samsung has gone beyond limits into making a phone with 100 times zoom capability, I wonder if other brands start making something like this. On the first look, the photos from this camera are amazing. I mean, just amazing, because to be very honest, I see no big difference in photos from this phone and iPhone 11 Pro Max to make a statement clearly about which one is better or not. Maybe I'll make a separate video on that topic as well, but for now, the only thing that amazed me is 100 times space zoom. Let me share some images of the moon, of course. See the difference between the images with 1 time, 4 times, 10 times, 30 times, 60 times and 100 times. Even with 100 times zoomed image, the image distortion is not what I was expecting. This is really beyond my expectations. Here's another example, a video actually. See for yourself, distance and the zoom. Even the lens inside can be heard while adjusting the focus at that distance. That's all for now. Stick to Z-Force Gaming for more detailed videos and reviews in future. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to check the link in description if you are in need of an S20 Ultra phone yourself, as our sponsor has limited stock available and shipping has already started, with first unit obviously sold to me. Until next time, my friends, take care, goodbye.